Do you want to change your school?
No, I want to study in root school.
Thrilled to share my experience with Root School. It's been an incredible journey watching our little one blossom here. From reading big letter books to mastering concepts beyond her ears, the learning never stops. Impressed by how school made learning so much fun and engaging. Even when she missed few days of her school, teachers made sure that she catch up with all her concepts without any stress. Plus, now she's a geography whiz. She knows all states and capitals on her fingertips. Sometimes I hear parents complaining that schools are making education so much stressful for kids. But Roots have made things very different. Instead of piling pressure on kids, they have nurtured genuine love for learning. It's all about sparkling curiosity and making education exciting. In short, Roots isn't just a school. It's a place where kids discover their potential. I cannot be more happier than this.